So magandang araw mga kabola, sa video na ito is pag-uusapan po natin ang magbibigay ulit tayo ng panibago pong mock draft kabola. At actually may mga interesting news tayo in the past few weeks kabola na maganda rin pong pag-usapan. So kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po with this news kabola. Strong Group, ayan nga po, is kanila pong hihingi ng tulong. Ito po si Jordan Heading kabola, and if you remember, drafted po yan kabola ng Terra Firma Chip kabola, and itong si Kailan Chongson. Ang interesting of course for the upcoming draft, si Heading drafted din si Chongson daw interested na po siyang pumasok talaga dito po sa paparating po na draft kabola. Although of course paulit-ulit na rin po niya yung sinasabi, at sobrang tanda na po niya, 34 years old kabola. So we are not really sure kabola kung ano pang pwede niya pong may ambag, to be honest, dito nga po sa PBA. Pero still with his name recognition na rin po, I think he also be an interesting prospect to look out kabola dito po sa upcoming draft po na ito. Now, of course, interesting din kabola, ito pong report kabola na itong si Coach Cheng Giao, surprisingly, sinabi niya po sa media, na ang target pa rin niya daw dito sa upcoming draft is a big man. If you remember, they will have 2 first-round pick kabola, ito pong Reno Shine, due to the past trades kabola. So with those 2 first round picks, malaki din po talaga ang chance sa kabola na makaisa ulit na giant big man. Remember, they already have 2-6-7-6-8 kabola with Villegas at saka si Kit Dato doon. Pero sabi niya, hindi pa rin sapat kasi ang explanation niya kabola, it's all about Junmar Fajardo. And Fajardo, sa nakita niya kabola, hindi pa rin sapat yung kanya pong rooster ng big man na i-handle si Fajardo. And of course, hindi natin siya masisisi, They just got defeated by San Miguel Beermen kabola, and Fajardo dominated, although not really monstrous yung domination niya kabola, pero he still dominated them kabola, and nandun na si Dato. Although of course Villegas will still be there, pero nakita niya rin siguro si Coach Cheng Giao, the injuries keep piling up kabola, so getting another young one is the best for the future. Baka dalawa kabola diba? Hindi na ako magugulat kung magdadalawa pa si Coach Cheng Giao kasi he really knows now kabola the importance of big man. A big man po yung position dito sa PBA na kahit pa siguro 8 na big man na giant kabola nasa rooster mo, I think that's still good enough. I think that's still fine kabola, hindi tulad ng guard na pag 8 point guard yan, of course sobra na. Iba kasi talaga pag mga big man, lalo na po pag 6'7" pataas po kabola. Now ito ang first pinaka-interesting na news the past few weeks, that's Ravena kabola. So he's free agent at then nakanya kontrata na Neo Phoenix kabola, and it seems like hindi na po talaga siya i-renew itong si Neo Phoenix. So it's up to him to either find a Japan B-League team, and I think a lot of Japan B-League teams who wants his service kabola kasi he delivers pretty well. He actually just, I think, have his best season dito sa Japan B-League, so he is doing well doon po kabola. Pero of course, ang interesting para sa atin is, will he now consider joining the upcoming draft, diba? Sabi niya din naman dati na he still wants to play in the PBA, and is this now the chance for that to happen kabola? So sa mock draft na ito, yun pinaka-assume natin, nasasali po si 3D